Hello friends, Satyendra here, and in this video let's see what is the start part and how can we create a start part template in Creo Parametric. So let's understand the start part first. So what exactly is start part? So start part in Creo Parametric is a part template where most of the part level common setting will be stored to reuse it again and again. And this setting can be related to model properties, or it can be related to datum features, or it can be related to parameters, or it can be related to some other things. For example, I have opened one start part here where I have done some common settings which I am going to use again and again for my every part. So let's see what kind of common setting I have done for this start part. So for this start part, I have done some setting in model properties. I have used a particular unit. I have done setting for accuracy. I have applied a material, and I can do all these settings inside model properties. Other than this, we can do changes for datum features. We can add number of datum features here, datum planes, datum axis. You can rename the datum plane as datum ABC. You can change the size of datums by using adjust outline. You can change the value here. You can change the size of datum axis using adjust outline. Other than this, you can do changes for parameters. You can add a number of required parameters. You can write relations. You can add layers, and you can do many other settings in the start part. So once all the required settings are done for your start part, now you can save the start part in your working directory. So now your start part is ready. Now this start part you can use as a start part template to create number of parts again and again. And all the parts will have all these settings predefined. So no need to create the same setting again and again. Now let's see how to use this start part as start part template. And this can be done by two different ways. And the first way is you go to your working directory where you have saved your start part. So this is my working directory and this is my start part. Just copy the start part from your working directory and paste it to the default template folder. Now here you can see that this folder is already having number of templates. Some templates are related to drawing, some template related to milling, some template related to casting, cable harnessing, some template related to assembly, some template related to part. So this folder is having all the templates related to all different modules. So this is the default template folder for Creo Parametric. Now you can see the default path of this template folder. It is inside the C drive. You go to C drive, PTC, Creo, whichever version you have. Then search for common files folder. And inside this folder you have a folder called templates. And here you can paste it to your start part. Once this is done, close your Creo and relaunch it. Now I have just relaunched my Creo Parametric once again. Now I'll go for new and here part, solid, uncheck this use default template. Okay. Now here if you move it down, you will see that you are getting your start part. Now select the start part. Now you can directly fill your all the parameters here. These parameters you had added while creating the start part. So now you can easily fill this. Say OK. Now once you have launched this start part, now you can get all these datum related changes automatically here. Now if you go to tools parameter, you can see that all parameters are coming very well. If you go to model properties, you can see that you have the same unit. If you check your accuracy, this will be also same. Material will be same. All these settings are coming by default because this was done in your start part. Now let us try it once again. Close it and go for new part. Say OK. And you can select your start part. You can fill the parameters. Say OK. And everything is here. Now let's have a small break. And meanwhile you can like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now if you want to make this start part template as default template, Then you can do the setting. Go to File, Option, Configuration Editor, Find, type here template, find now, scroll down, select template solid part. Now browse it, go to the same folder, C drive, program files, PTC, Creo, common files, templates, and here you can select your own start part, which is this one. Open, add change, close, OK, save it to your config file. Now you relaunch your Creo Parametric. So this is my Creo Parametric. Now if I go for new and uncheck it and say OK, I can see that my start part is directly selected. Cancel it and once again try, go for new and say OK. Now you can see that you are getting your start part template directly. So now your start part template is the default start part template. So this one was the first way to use your start part as start part template. Now the second way is you can assign your own folder as a default template folder, and for that we need to do some setting. So go to File, Option, now here you can browse your own template folder and say add change and save it to your config file. Once it is saved, you relaunch your Creo Parametric. Now your start part will access from your own folder. Now the similar setting we can do to create start part for assembly model. So try it by your own. So this was the whole idea about start part and start part template, and I hope this video will be helpful. So this is it guys. Now like this video if the video is helpful, share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel for further updates.